Hello, I'm Gustavo Razzetti. I'm the CEO and founder of Fearless Culture. I'm so happy that you're here. I want to talk to you about my upcoming workshop, How to Build a Fearless Culture. We're going to answer a key question. What's preventing your team from doing the best work of their lives? This is a fundamental question that many leaders ask, and most importantly, because they believe that they don't have what it takes to be successful. Many companies complain that they lack ideas, maybe talent or resources, budget, technology. But in the end, their biggest limitation is their own culture. They don't have a conducive culture that unleashes that full potential of their existing team. A fearless culture is not about removing fear. Fear is a powerful emotion and we need to confront it. We also need to make sure that we lead from a place of courage and also that we do what's right over what's easy. I'm going to discuss and we're going to work different activities. What are the key three elements of culture? First, how do we drive alignment? What's that shared impact, the shared future that we're trying to build as a team to make sure that we're all aligned, not just in what we need to do, but why we want to do it? We're also going to talk about the glue. What's that sense of belonging, that emotional glue that brings the people together that makes us feel fearless as a team? We're going to talk about building psychological safety, how to promote courageous conversation, address conflict in the open, and also build team rituals. And lastly, we're going to talk about agility. Your culture should be able to help your team move faster and smarter. We're going to get we're going to talk about how to get rid of limiting norms and rules, how to make faster decisions, distributing authority, and also about how to have better meetings, fewer meetings, by understanding when to collaborate and when not to collaborate, and how to work asynchronously, not just synchronously. So looking forward to see you next week. Take care. Bye-bye.